I'm Robert Proctor, a farm within family partnership with my brother and my parents. We milk 600 cows 3 times a day, 300 beef cattle, and we also have an arable department in our business. Together with Impact Services, we installed a 212 kilowatt PV system onto the roof of one of our sheds. We work really closely with our milk company, Arla Foods, and we've got a commitment with them to reduce our carbon footprint. We always do a carbon audit on the farm annually, which we get a score from, so we know where we are each year. There's further incentives with our milk price as well to reduce our usage of electricity. So really that was the driver to installing the PV. The report that was produced by Impact laid everything out. It's really simple. We could see that it was going to be really advantageous for us to do the project. Also, the system was sized specifically to our requirement correctly, which was important to us as well. So it wasn't too big or too small, just the right size for what we needed. I do have confidence in the quality of the work that's done up there. You do hear of horror stories with people installing them and not installing them correctly, and yeah, I couldn't fault it. There's no damage, no mess left afterwards. It's a good job. Keenly looking at the electricity meter now, and already it's made a big difference. I can stand there whilst the team are milking the cows, and I can see that our electricity meter's not moving around, so that's a good thing. I definitely recommend Impact. The way that they've taken us through the project's been really easy, and what's delivered is what I wanted, so I would really recommend farmers to go with Impact.